Yo, what is going on, everyone? This is Brian with Sullivan's Lawn Care. Today we are doing some topsoil spreading, and we'll make this look good. This is for a full install. We'll do a little time lapse for today. This is going to be like a 4-day project, maybe 5. A bunch of plants, mulch, fine straw beds. Today we're moving 66 tons of dirt, or topsoil, sorry. And then, you know, we're gonna go from there. I can do a little time lapse and whatnot, but yeah, let's get to it. So we're done with the back beds. They're built up. We still have to level this stuff out, and then after we get everything leveled out back here, we're going to build our beds here, and obviously in the back of it. And right now working on the front beds. There's gonna be one here. Alright guys, so day one is under wraps. So far we've probably gotten, what, 2 truckloads gone. We've gotten this bed, that bed. We have to work on that one. And then the back needs to be topsoil spreaded. You say what? Yeah, I'm coming. Shooting my video for day one.
Hey, check this shit out.